Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, One Man Trader. And today another two trades. One on the right is Nasdaq E-mini, the left is gold. I'm a little bit late and hitting the recording button. Two contracts and the Nasdaq and two contracts in gold. So the first one as the beginning of the video, as you saw that it's been hit. And then now just writing the gold with two contracts and one contract for Nasdaq. So I'm targeting this area around the Nasdaq and gold. So exactly the lower price of two previous days, which is last year. So this is the first day of the year. Things are getting a bit uncertain. Always this is the as usual. So now what I've done is, since my first target been hit and Nasdaq, I'm adding second one, and then it's quite hectic in terms of this area. If it's like the price gonna touch it or not. So you can see me struggling a little bit just to want it to my order be taken. So then I saw the potential that the market will go all the way down. This is a beautiful opportunity. So the market around the level of 11,100. So there is a beautiful opportunity that the market might keep going all the way down. So about 11,028 where exactly place my second target. So there you go. So the market seems that's reaching the target number one for Nasdaq, and for gold, things are not seeming going exactly to my direction right now. It's a little bit of a struggle around this area, around 10,052 or 1,054. So there you go. So my second target been hit, and or my first target been hit on Nasdaq, and the gold not yet. But the level that I'm short in is a beautiful level that I've been following in the weekly, and then I was waiting for it in the 4-hour. So just in the lower time frame, just where I target the entry and right there. So this is just 10 minutes or a little bit more after the opening of the US market. So the price went a little bit above, all the way reach higher level, and then just to reach more, generate more liquidity, and then shoot toward the low, which is what happening right now for Nasdaq. So now I secured my trade Nasdaq and just manage the trade slowly, and then bring it hopefully to my last target. Well, my last target is exactly the at the 200 EMA for the 2-minute chart. So this is a beautiful area. So the market, there is high probability the market will reach. So what happened now for gold? You can see the market, the price is reverse right there. So the Bollinger Band, the higher line of the Bollinger Band is around 18,857. If the price can reach it and go for the middle one, we'll see. Things are sometimes with gold, it reacts slowly compared to Nasdaq. So it's slow, a little bit moving. There is some part where the gold will move fast, and then will go slow, and then go fast and go slow, but it's not as liquid as Nasdaq. So the Nasdaq is now 15 minutes after the opening of the market, and look how he reacting really cool. I love Nasdaq for that. So yeah, so the price seems I'm gonna reach our second and the last target around the 11,026. Yes, just a couple ticks away. Yo, come on. I hate it when you start to struggle like that, then around the last target. But yeah, so I'm not gonna wait, you know. I always react for that, and you know, just secure my trade and lower my stop loss. This is my me. So this, look at that, just a couple takeaway, and then yes, come on, you can do it. You see there's a struggle around this area. Of course, it's a 200 MA, so it is a good, quite strong area of, you know, quite strong level. So I lowered my stop loss again. So what happened? It's pretty tight, I know, so airtight, but like I said, okay, there you go. So I got stopped out with a good profit, and then this is a winner. Oh, this is a win trade. So what happened now? Let's focus on gold since we finished with Nasdaq. Let's focus on gold. Gold is doing good up to now. So I love the candle that's shown a beautiful signal toward the toward the low, which is a bearish signal. So that's good according to the plan. Here we go. So once my since I put my Nasdaq, since I put my target, my stop loss pretty tight, look what happened. So the price went beyond my second and last target, which is all good. Just a couple ticks. I rather, you know, lose a couple ticks than lose all the trade. So there I go. Now what happened with the gold? I'm thinking about not waiting for the gold that much, because for several reasons. I don't like to stay that much staring at the screen. I like go in and out like a robber robbing something, you know, just going in, out, and that's it. Make that money and leave and close, you know, everything for the rest of the day. Only thing that I don't like about the gold is really slow. It sometimes move in a funny way. So go, you know, quick and then slow, and then go fast and slow. It is a good for somebody who's sitting in front of the computer or sitting automating the trade, and that's it. This is a good way to trade gold, but for my style, I like to get done with it. So yes, now let's expand the window for the gold and just focus on the gold. What I'm doing, so this beautiful level of the resistance. So where I place my first target is a beautiful level of resistance. So if the market reaches, it's gonna react a little bit, and then it depends. If you're gonna break it, you're gonna reverse and then struggle a little bit. I don't know what happened. So I basically, what I'm thinking right now is just taking my first target and place it with my second target. So 2 contracts around that level, and that's it. We'll call for the day with the for the gold. You see, that's what I'm thinking. Yes, it's reaching this first target. So right there. So that's it. That's exactly, yes. So I know the price will struggle. Yes, this is like I said, it's an area of resistance, and I don't want to stay. I just want to get done with it, and that's it. So the market seems breaking the area very good. So that this is a print for the bears, and the price is reaching my second or my target in this case. Let's do it, and there you go. A total of $1,300 profit. Well, guys, thank you very much, and then remember to trade wisely, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share.